To make an EasyPaisa digital account, start by downloading the EasyPaisa mobile app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the Register Now button. You will be asked to enter your mobile number. So enter the number you want to use for your EasyPaisa account and click Next. You will then receive a verification code on your mobile number. Enter this code in the app and click Verify. After verifying your mobile number, you will be asked to enter some basic information such as your name and CNIC number. Make sure to enter the correct information as it will be used for verification purposes. Next, you will be asked to create a PIN code for your EasyPaisa account. Choose a strong and unique PIN code that you can easily remember. After creating your PIN code, you will be asked to set up a mobile banking PIN. This PIN will be used to authorize transactions on your EasyPaisa account. Once you have completed the registration process, you will be able to use your EasyPaisa account to send and receive money, pay bills, and shop online. You can also use your EasyPaisa account to withdraw cash from any EasyPaisa shop or ATM. To add money to your EasyPaisa account, you can visit any EasyPaisa shop or use the app to deposit money from your bank account. You can also use the app to check your account balance and transaction history. It is recommended to keep your EasyPaisa account PIN and mobile banking PIN confidential to avoid any unauthorized transactions. It is also important to note that EasyPaisa is a secure and reliable digital payment platform that uses advanced encryption and security measures to protect your transactions and account information. By following these steps, you can easily create an EasyPaisa digital account and start using it to make transactions and manage your money.